Okay, we need 1 scoop of glow-in-the-dark powder added to our beaker of cornstarch. Okay, now we're gonna stir this. Uh-oh, it's starting to get really thick. Now
I want thick slime.
You know, I used to teach slime to children at science camp. We would put it in a bag to mix it. We're gonna pour the slime into here, and once it's poured in, we're gonna add a few drops of food coloring to make it pretty. And then we're gonna squish it around. You ready to put in the food coloring?
Yeah.
Okay, you hold the bag. We're gonna start out with yellow since it's a light color. I'll start with just a teensy bit. And if we need more, we can always get it. Ooh, it's starting to turn to slime. It's about time to take it out of the bag and switch it around. It's like solid and then it turned into liquid. You feel that? Pinch it.
It's melting.
Yeah, it feels like it's melting in our hands.
On my hand.
It's like dry and wet. It feels dry, but it behaves as if it's wet. It feels completely dry though. Wow.
Ugh.
It's crazy.
God, it's melting on my hand.
We'll get it out. Until it was hard for him to manipulate it at all, and he said it was hard as a rock. And so he made the hypothesis that if he put some more water in it, that it would be easier to mash around and handle and manipulate. So is your hypothesis turn out to be true? Is it easier now?
Yeah.
So your hypothesis ended up being true.
See, and it made it melty again.
So what it did was it gave it more of the properties of liquid. And when it was too hard to mash around, it had more of the properties of a solid. Now we're gonna put some red coloring in. Now don't do anything yet, because this is where it can get super messy. All right, now go bring the bowl over here.
When will it get super messy?
It's okay if it gets super messy as long as it's contained. Wow, look, it's turning like flamingo pink now.
Ooh.
All right, come mash it. It's your turn. Mash it over the bowl.
Do you like the pink slime?
Of course, I like the pink. Need just a little bit more of that cornstarch.
I'm going to change you.
If you get one, but like 0.0001 gram off, it ruins the whole thing. Hey, it's working. No, that I would quite call it orange. It's more like flamingo, I think. It looks like a tropical sunset to me. Does it feel dry or wet?
It was wet and dry.
I know, isn't that crazy? I wish we had touch-o-vision so everyone could feel what it felt like. It's weird because it feels really dry, almost chalk dry, but it's drippy. It's so weird.